Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn on your PlayStation 5 from app. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Right here, as you can see guys, if you go to the game library, you're gonna find the list that includes all of your installed games. So right now I'm gonna go back right here. Then here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. And you're gonna also find settings here in the right. So right here, you're gonna find all of the settings related to your device and also your account settings. So right now, just go ahead and click on the PS button on your controller. And then once you do that, here, as you can see guys, in the bottom, you're gonna find Home, Switcher, Modifications, Game Base, Music, Downloads and Uploads, Sound, Mic, Accessories. Here you're gonna find your accounts, and right here you're gonna find Power. So go ahead and click on Power. And then right here, you're gonna find three options. You can enter the rest mode, charge controllers, download updates, and suspend your games. Don't unplug the AC power cord while in rest mode. And if you want to totally turn off your device, just click on turn off PS5. This will close all games and apps and turn off your PlayStation 5. So go ahead and click on turn off PlayStation 5. And right now, as you can see guys, it's preparing to turn off the PlayStation 5. And as you can see guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.